Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and shop Dream Decor. We are based in Delhi. The address and phone numbers are given in the description box. Let me give you an overview of my shop. It's a handloom and women apparel shop. In handlooms we are dealing in bed sheets, single and double both, towels, blankets, sofa covers, dohers, comforter sets, cushion covers, foot mats, table covers, etc. And in women apparels we have kurtis, suits, unstitched suits, and in casual wear we have night suits, t-shirts, lowers, and pants, plazos, leggings, dupattas, all are available with the kurtis. We have complete pant set also, but if you want kurtis only, then we can match the bottoms whatever you like. So let me start with the most premium collection of bed sheets. Today I'm going to show you only few designs because it's not possible for us to show all the designs in the video. So if you are residing nearby, please come to our place, do visit us so that we can show you all the range. And let me show you my first collection. This is the first bed sheet. You can see the fabric, it is very fine. It is very fine cotton bed sheet, and the fabric is also very like this. You can feel it in the video itself. And it has two pillow covers. All the bed sheets have pillow covers. So I'll show you the complete design. It is a floral bed sheet and the base is off-white, and you will get various colors we have browns and blues, greens, yellows. Next one is this chocolate based bed sheet with star print. You can see here. This is the border side and this is the bed sheet with stars, and two pillow covers are also available with all the bed sheets. These are the pillow covers. You can see proper size pillow covers are available. Next one is again a light base bed sheet. And you can see here, this is the base of the bed sheet. This is the base, and here you can see dark color flowers, and similarly this side also the dark color flowers, and again the light base. Pillow covers, two pillow covers. So this is the pillow cover. If you have any query, please contact me at my number, or you can WhatsApp me. We can give you the complete detail. This is the bed sheet. It is a geometrical print. Here you can see the geometrical print all over. It's a multicolor bed sheets, little bit in stripes, then in plain, like this. I'll show you. ऐसे पकड़ना. This way. Next one is in sky blue color. It's a printed base. printed base, and this is the floral pattern. Like this, floral, then print, then again floral. Pillow covers, matching pillow covers. All these bed sheets are of 950. Here you can see this is a floral bed sheet. These big flowers are in the center, and at the border you can see this kind of pattern. This is the border and this is the internal design. Let me show you completely. So this way. Again, it is a light color bed sheet, and see the fabric. This is the fabric. That color fasting is done. It's washed so many times to hit the colors fast. This is a rust color bed sheet, small print. Some people prefer small prints. This is a smaller print, and all over, and in the, yeah, this is the border. It is a bit, see, this is not the joint, it's not the joint, it is the print. We have other colors also, like in this we have mustard color also. That is the pillow cover, same matching. This is another color. See, one more exclusive bed sheet design. This is the design. See, let me show you. At one side it is beige color, and then this colorful pattern can be seen like this. This is the overall bed sheet, and it has pillow covers like this. These are the pillow covers. And in this we have one more color. This is the color. One more design available. This is the design. I'll show you. We have many other designs and colors, and in this fabric we have 108 bed sheets also, which is 9 feet by 9 feet. Nowadays people are having 8 inches mattresses, so it can cover 8 inches mattress very easily. But this particular size which I am showing you, this is 90 by 100. And in my next video I'll show you some more designs and in some other fabric, like in Jaipuri we have casement also, other soft cottons and glaze cottons, packing bed sheets. So I hope you like this video and our collection. So if you like it, please subscribe our channel and do share it, and please visit if you people are living nearby or in NCRs. Thank you for watching.